Mabuhay! So we are here at Clark International Airport and we're going to Coron, Palawan! Hi guys! So we're here at Palawan! Dito kami sa Lewis Bay Travelers Lodge kung saan kami mag-stay ng 4 days and 3 nights. Naghahanap kami ng kakainan. Hi guys! So today is also our first day sa tour and nag-ICT tour kami ngayon and this is Luwalhati Park. Kita nyo sa likod yung Sleeping Giant. Next stop is St. Augustine Church. And now we're here at Mount Tapias and it has 720 steps. $100 steps na guys! Yes! 120 steps. 120 steps na lang guys. Nasa taas na kami. May 50 steps pa kasi. Yes! Let's go! Look at the view guys. We are the view. Balik na guys. Cashew nuts. Dito kami sa souvenir shop. Sweet and original. Souvenir shop and ano to ba? Caramelized. Nandito nila yung ginagawa din. Last stop guys, Makiinit Hot Spring. You can see behind us, it is the Makiinit Hot Spring and it is 30 to 40 degrees daw, sabi ng tour guide. Sabi ng tour guide, kailangan mong ibabad yung feet mo for 5 minutes before may ilog yung buong batawan. Okay, bye. Try na namin. Morning guys! Day 2. Breakfast. Corned beef, egg, rice. At hindi mag-isip na mawawala ka pa.
Swimming pool full of liquor, you make driving it. Pool full of liquor, I'm a driving.
Hi guys! So, we will be boarding the boat.
Okay, good morning ma'am, good morning sir. By the way, my name is Carlo. I'm your tour guide today. Now the boat captain, Captain Albert, and our boatman people. Hello, Chef Aldi. Okay, province sir, in our destination for today, Island Escape. Island Escape province sir is not part of Coron, part of Golyon. It's Busuanga, Coron, and Golyon is over there. Okay, province sir, Island Escape, we have a 3 destination. We gonna go first Coco Beach. Coco Beach province sir is not allowed to swim. Sometimes in Shallow Park, we have a jellyfish lunch and we're taking you to a Starbucks, Starbucks in Coco Beach. In our second destination, Mami Sir, Taytayan Sandbar. Taytayan Sandbar, Mami Sir, in our activity, snorkeling. If you're taking suntan snorkeling area, you see the turtle. If you don't see the turtle, you come back to the boat. You see the boat captain, it's Ninja Turtle. In our the last stop, Malcapuya Beach. Malcapuya Beach, Mami Sir, in our activity, snorkeling, fish feeding in the boat riding. Ajin Baguio.
Labit,
David Baguio.
Trisha.
Richard Baguio. Okay, Mami Sir.
Hi guys, so we're here at Coco Beach. And 2 hours yung travel time namin. Next stop, Taytayan Sandbar. 20 minutes daw. Tingnan mo ba yung nasa gitna? Ito pala siya, guys. Hi guys, so we're here at the Taytayan Sandbar. High tide siya ngayon. Kaya di masyadong hindi siya masyadong kita, pero hanggang dun. Tapos sabi ni Kuya, makikita daw namin yung turtle. Turtle? Baka joke lang na baka naman. Kasi sabi nga kanina may Starbucks daw sa isang island. Wala na. Hi guys! So we're here at our last stop. And it is called Malcapuya Island. Dito, nagpark yung boat. Tapos, lalakarin namin. Papunta dun. Tapos na lahat ng activity namin ngayong araw.
Yeah!
Ganyan ang itim. Nagpakain kami ng fishy. Yes, open aquarium. Tapos nakasabit kami sa boat. Ganyan. Ganyan. Sabang mandag. Woo! Ganyan. Ganyan, ganyan. Guys, bagsak mga kasama ko, guys. Morning, guys. Day 3. Ngayon, ang pupuntahan namin ay mga lagoon at lakes.
Yes. Mas malapit yun compared kahapon.
Pero mas marami.
Destination. Okay? So, 7 destination but include of
Guys! Andito kami sa... Hi! Andito kami sa...
Oy, game na, totoo na!
Milwaukee.
Vlog natin!
Milwaukee Back.
Ano to kayo tayo? Ay,
Milwaukee Back. Malwali.
Ay, Milwaukee.
Trisha!
Milwaukee.
Hi guys! So dito kami sa Maluawi Island or Skeleton Shipwreck. Yun. Hi guys, we're here na sa Kayangan Lake. May akyatan kami dun. Ito siya, oh. Tapos, aakyat kami. Papunta sa taas. Kasi aakyat. Later. Hi guys, paakyat na kami ng view deck. View deck. Nandito kami sa Barracuda Lake or Luluyuan Lake. Luluyuan Lake. Kasi Luluyuan is Alaya Lake. Yun lang yung local dito. Tapos ang ibig sabihin daw nun ay kabila. So kabila na ito, Barracuda Lake. Ito na. Pakyatin na namin guys. Last stop, Twin Lagoon. Magkakayak kami guys. Ay, basta
dito ka muna to.
Ay, basta na. Basta magkakayak kami.
Anong kayak?
Hi guys, so we're here at Twin Lagoon and we are kayaking. Hala! Saan yung Twin? Isa. Wait lang. Isa. At dito ulit kami sa breakfast. And it's our last day. Uwi na ng Baguio. Wag na. Corned beef with egg and rice. At kape. Tapos ang mga pupuntahan lang namin ngayon ay souvenir shop. Okay. Tapos, magre-ready na kami. Tapos, susunduin na kami ng van papuntang airport. Dito na kami sa Suanga Airport. Going home.